Alrighty. Man. Alrighty, so we came out here to this little pond or this little lake. I don't know what it is, probably a little pond. I'm gonna call it a pond. And I've been out here a few times before, but I've only been out here fishing from the shore. And I've caught some 2-pounders in here. So just gonna try to see what we can get today. I brought the kayak out. I've already caught 3 fish today. But was having camera problems as always. And so I had the camera on the ram mount, but now I have the camera on my up on my hat. So let's see what we can get. See if we can get some more fish. We haven't even went that far. The boat ramp is like right there, and we already got 3 fish. So just using this little crankbait. I'm not a big bass guy. I normally fish saltwater, and so if you guys are probably watching this video or gonna watch this video and you're cringing because you're like, why is he using a crankbait? Sorry, like I said, I'm normally a saltwater marsh brackish type of guy, but the weather conditions out where I normally fish at for redfish and trout are not ideal because later on today, which the wind is already kind of picking up out here, it's supposed to be 10 to 20 mile gust, and as you probably can already hear and see that the wind's already picking up out here. So I did not want to be on all of that water with that type of gust, so I decided just to come here and bass fish. So far it's been so good. I have not regretted it. Have not regretted coming fishing here, because like I said, I already got 3 fish, and so can't get mad about that. All right, I'm gonna give it a few more pictures over here, and then we're gonna move along. So man, look at that. I already know I probably should be using a bait caster, but I hate bait casters. I just don't know how to use them. Every time I try to use a bait caster, it bird nests. So not gonna use one, just gonna use a spinning reel. I know some lures are better for bass fishing. I mean, some rod and reels are better for bass fishing, but I'm just gonna use this. I'm just gonna use my spinning reel. All right, so we're just gonna go back over in this area where you see all of those blowdowns at over there, and we're gonna try to see if there's any fish over there. Just trying to turn the old town around. It's moving real slow. I wonder if it's some grass in the prop. Probably some grass in the prop. I'll check it in a few. See if we can get on some fish first. All right, so let me take a seat. Take a seat real fast. Let the spot lock do its thing. Of course, spot lock wants to turn me in the opposite way. So, what's going on with the spot lock? The one thing about spot lock is that it's gonna rotate you into the current. So sometimes that sucks because you have to, if you got the camera on the mount, you got to reposition the camera and all of that stuff. And if the wind blows a certain way, the kayak might take the, you know, the spot lock might take you off of your position. And so sometimes it can get kind of frustrating, but it's still better than using an anchor, especially in deeper water. It's a lot less equipment that you got to bring with you, and it's just a lot more convenient. So I am grateful for having spot lock, but sometimes it gets on my nerves. All right, so let's go ahead and get another fish. Let me stop running my mouth. Let's get another fish. No fish, but we got some grass. We got some salad. All right, let's try again.